In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Garmin Forerunner is not charging. So if you're trying to plug the charging cable into the back of the watch like this, and there's no charging light either on the back or the front, or maybe your just whole watch screen is black, then I'm going to show you a few things you can do to fix this. So the first thing we're going to do is just unplug the watch from the charger like so, and then we're going to come over to the front of the watch and you're going to hold down this top left hand button for around about 20 seconds. So this button here, it should be labeled light on your watch, and we're just going to hold this down continually for around about 15 to 20 seconds. So it doesn't matter if your screen's black, you still want to make sure you hold this button down, and then after around about 20 seconds the screen should go black and we can then release this button. Then all you simply need to do is hold down on the button again for around about 2 seconds, and then a light should pop up on the screen to basically turn the Garmin Forerunner back on. Now if that doesn't solve it for you, what you'll need to do is grab your charger once again, and this time we're just going to plug the charger into the back of the watch, and what you'll need to do is leave this watch now on charge for around about 30 minutes. Once 30 minutes have passed, we can then come back over to the watch, and with the watch still on charge, so with this cable still plugged into the back, we're then going to come back over to the front and once again hold down this light button for around about 20 seconds, and we're just basically going to repeat what we did without the charger and hold this button down for 20 seconds and wait for the screen to go black. And then once you've done that, you can release the button and then hold it down for a couple more seconds to turn the watch back on. Now, if that's still not solved your issue, the next thing I'd recommend doing is trying a different outlet for your charging cable. So if you currently have it plugged into a wall or a charger, then I'd recommend try plugging it into something else like your laptop, for example, as it could just be a case of some faulty connection. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and it's still not working, the final thing to do would just be to clean the connections at the back here. So you could use something like a cotton bud with some rubbing alcohol just to make sure there's no dirt or debris that's actually found its way onto the charger over at the back. And then a good idea would just be blowing inside of the cable as well. Sometimes you can get debris that gets stuck in here. And then once again, you can try charging your Garmin Forerunner, and that should have now solved the charging issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.